Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to program the robot in Nero so that you can activate it with a button. So let's go ahead and get started. This is for the robot arm manipulation assignment as well. In Nero, you're going to want to go to your block editor here. Okay. And the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to go ahead and get the button set up, which is an IO. Okay. And the button should already be plugged in, but if it's not, then basically what you'll do is you'll plug black to black, red to red, and then there's three white buttons, and you want the white button in 1A. It will work in 1B, it'll work in 1C. It's just you got to program it for that. So we're going to go ahead and set the pin 1A mode, okay, to input. So we're going to go ahead and put that here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit. Okay. We're then going to put in a loop. So we're going to put in a while loop, and we're going to repeat while it is true. Okay. Inside that while loop, we're going to go ahead and put in an if statement, which is logic. So you're going to go ahead and put in a if statement right there. And then we're going to put in an equals. So we're going to go ahead and put in an equals right here. And basically what we're going to put in here is we're going to have it get the pin value. So we're going to go here. We're going to get the pin of 1A state. And then we're going to, you're going to put it to state high, but you're going to change it from high to low. Okay. And then basically that's it. Then whatever code you want it to run will go in here. Now, if you have it plugged into the 1B, then you change this to 1B, and this one to 1B, and it should still work. Same with 1C. Or if you happen to have it in 2, you can do the same thing. You could have multiple buttons running. So like if one button gets hit, it does this. If a different button gets hit, it does that. So you can kind of set it up that way too. Basically, you'd go ahead and put in your whatever you want it to do right here. And then I would recommend, if you haven't already done a save position for home, I would do a home, and I would put home right here. Okay, so it would kind of look like I'm just putting in, these are all going to be blank. Okay. That's not, I want to move joint. So move joints, these are all going to be 0, so it's not going to go anywhere. So whatever you want it to do there, and then if this is your home position, that would go out here. So basically what it'll do is when the button is pressed, it will run this. And if the button remains pressed, it will keep running this. If the button is let go, it will then pop out of the if and go down and go back to home. And then it'll just stay in the loop until the button is pressed. And so that's basically what it'll do. So go ahead and give that a try. Go ahead and set up some moves. Let's go ahead and get it to move. And then basically we're going to take this and get it hooked up to a 3D printer or possibly CNC router, so that when the button is pressed, it goes and removes that part. All right, so that's it. If you have any questions, let me know.